Hey there folks, it's your coach Nadia here, and today I am giving you an ab workout. No equipment required. Let's get into it. Lay on your back. We're gonna lift the shoulders up off the floor and tap alternate thighs. Reach. You got it. Try to keep your shoulders up off the floor. You can support your head with your hands if you like. Firm your tummy. Think about drawing your belly button down towards the floor. Make sure to breathe. Almost there. Whew, I love this ab work. I know you love it too. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your shoulders down. We're gonna lift the feet up. I want you to send one leg out in front of you and bring it in. You got it. Send the other leg out in front of you and bring it in. Good. I want you to alternate. Bring it in. Send it out and bring it in. Good. Let's lift the shoulders up off the floor if you feel like you want a little bit more. Come on. Now for those who want even more than this, then I'm going to have you send both feet out. Send it out and send it in. Notice how my back stays flat, so if you need to, feet can go a little bit higher. Lift your shoulders a little higher to help protect your back. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms out to the sides. We're going to lower the knees to one side. Bring it back to the center, and then lower your knees to the other side. It's called our windshield wiper. Firm your tummy. If you want more, kick that top foot out in front of you as you twist over to the side. You're gonna start feeling it right away. This might not be super hard for some of you, but trust me, you're gaining some good mobility in your back. Last 4, 3, 2, back to the top, feet down. We're gonna tap thighs. Come on. What's happening right now is we're keeping those abs under tension the entire time, which means that in the long run, they work harder than if you took a break. That's why we can keep these workouts real short, but effective. Come on. Make sure to breathe. Hey, if you need to take a break during any part of this, I welcome you. The thing is that next time you do this workout, it's going to be just a little bit easier. You may not have to take a break. Let's switch. Feet up. Kick it out to the front. Bring it in. Remember, you can have your head on the floor if you want to, but you're working a little bit harder here. You got this. Come on. I know you can do it. Remember, for those who wanted more, you're going to send both feet out and in. Good. Send it out. If you feel your back arching, then bring your feet a little bit higher or keep your knees slightly bent. Come on, we got 10 more seconds of this move. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's twist. Head to the ground. Send it to one side, then the other. If you want to, start that kick right away. Am I making a funny face when I'm twisting? That's okay. I'm not ashamed. Don't be afraid to look funny while you're working out. The thing is, sometimes things that don't look good are still effective. As long as you're keeping that posture, you're staying safe. We're almost there. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Thank you so much for joining me for this workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this workout, this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and then of course, hit the bell so that you get notified next time I release one. I'll see you in the next one.